Ken Eagle here with Atlona, and I've got some real exciting news to talk about. Today we're talking about integration with Zoom Rooms. And with me today is David Shamir, Director of Product Development for Atlona. David, welcome. Let's talk about Zoom Rooms.
Zoom Rooms are an exciting new feature that we just added to our velocity control system. Basically, we're all familiar with Zooms that are very popular software-based video codec for meeting spaces, conference calls, and etc. What we did, we took the native integration of Zoom, the same UI that people used to work with Zoom iPads or Zoom Control, and we embedded that into our velocity control system. So the benefit here basically is that you can control the video codec, dial, receive calls, make calls, join the meeting, and etc. like you do normally with the Zoom UI, with our velocity among controlling the rest of AV in the room. The video code, the video switcher, maybe the omni streams, and etc. whatever you have in your room there, everything is being concentrated around one thing, and that's the velocity that integrates the Zoom and the rest of the AV. You have the Zoom UI integrated in the velocity panel. You have the control like any other AV. Now you control the Zoom as well. And once you have the Zoom room or Zoom computer installed in the meeting space, and you have the velocity there, from that point you need only to add the Zoom as a technology to the room, and from there velocity will take the UI, you import the UI to the panel, and you can control the Zoom room from that point. We have an excellent integration note guide in our website, so you can download and get some more details on that one as well. Exactly. As long as you're using the Zoom room, the limitation of Zoom rooms, we don't have any limitations on the Zoom room. Zoom room is not limiting the velocity and vice versa. So if Zoom room is worked for you for your applications, velocity can just help. Excellent.
All right, so you've heard it here. Zoom Room integration with Atlona. It's ready to go. Thank you, David Shamir. Appreciate that. To learn more about this technology, you can visit us online at atlona.com. Also, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel, where you'll find several great videos on integration of Atlona Velocity products in Zoom Rooms. And also, make sure you log into our LMS, our Learning Education portal, and through our Velocity course, take the Zoom Room classes as well.